What's going on, guys? Brendan from ConvertU. I'm having a conversation with one of our insurance clients right now. They just sent over a request for to essentially try to figure out how many people are searching for home insurance in a list of 25 cities in the state of Texas. And we're able to use our premium services like Ahrefs and SEMrush to do so. But there's a completely free tool that I want to share with you guys that you can do some really, really great research to build out programs on a policy level or possibly an industry level. So again, Google Trends, completely free. If you just type in Google Trends in your Google search bar, this will come up here. And I want to show you quickly some use cases that you can, again, do some research and figure out exactly how many people are searching for those policy types or industries, those locations where they're searching for that term, and related search terms. So for the first use case, I'm going to show you workers' comp insurance. So it's going to pull up this dashboard. It's also going to show you within the United States, and I believe it opens up with a past day. It might not be helpful to gather metrics for the past 24 hours, so I'm going to drag this out to the last 30 days. And if I'm an insurance agency looking to build out my workers' comp program and I'm licensed in all 50 states, I can go over here and see that these states are searching for workers' comp insurance. These are the top 5 states searching for workers' comp insurance: New York, Georgia, California, Pennsylvania, Florida. So I can start to develop, and if I'm trying to develop a successful SEO program or even targeting ads or any other marketing channels, I can see that New York is definitely a huge opportunity because there's massive search volume. I can also drill down into the actual state, and I can see that New York, as you can imagine, New York City has the most search volume for workers' comp insurance. But I can also see other opportunities like Syracuse, Albany, Rochester, Buffalo. And if I was developing an SEO program, I would create a pillar page for workers' comp insurance. I would create a geo page specifically for New York, and then I would also branch out those city-specific geo pages like New York City workers' comp insurance, Syracuse, New York, or Syracuse workers' comp insurance, and all of these additional cities here. So that's one use case. That's a huge, huge opportunity. You can also drag this out on a yearly basis to see how many people are searching for this term. In the past year, we can see Binghamton, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, Syracuse, again, Rochester. We have some additional opportunities, Buffalo. You can also see related questions, so you can build out blog posts around these related questions or related topics. Another use case, so more so looking at an industry level, right? So if I'm trying to build out a program for plumber contractors, I can type in plumber insurance and see which states have the most search volume. We can see here Iowa, Connecticut, Michigan, Ohio. We can also drill down, and again, this can be applied for this example. It doesn't look like there's enough metrics to pull here, so it'll come up with this this dashboard or this notification here. Let's see, Connecticut might not be any different. It's not. So that would be a strong indication that you probably wouldn't need to create those city-specific pages. You could just create, plumber contractor insurance in Connecticut if you were creating that landing page for SEO. Other related terms as well. And in this case, what this particular client asked is they wanted to figure out some opportunities in the state of Texas. So what I would do in this case was, or what I did in this case was, I drilled down into Texas, right? And I can pull this out for the last, 12 months or 30 days. Let's just say that the last 30 days. And I can see all of these cities. Houston has the most traffic for home insurance. Then we have this additional state. We have Dallas. We have Dallas. We have Waco, There's all of these opportunities to create city specific home insurance pages. That's really the only way you can rank for home insurance and auto insurance is getting city specific. San Antonio, there's so many opportunities here that you can create these geo pages on your website. You can also see that there's related terms, best home insurance companies in Texas. You can create a blog post around that. There's an endless amount of content that you can create through research, again, on a free tool, Google Trends. I strongly encourage you guys to do this. If you are, building out these programs internally or creating content on your website. Appreciate you watching the video, and I will see you in the next one.